If you're looking for the best car alarm system to protect your vehicle, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 car alarm systems available right now, covering performance, features, installation, and real user feedback. Whether you need a full-featured smart alarm or just an effective theft deterrent, this list has something for everyone. All product links are listed in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Perfect Tech. Solar power simulated dummy car alarm. It never hurts to have an extra deterrent, and the Perfect Tech solar power simulated dummy car alarm from Electop does exactly that. This clever little device mimics a real alarm system with a flashing LED light, keeping potential thieves guessing. It's solar powered, meaning it automatically charges in daylight and blinks all night long after a full charge. And if it's cloudy or rainy, no problem. It includes a USB charging port for backup power. Installation is super easy thanks to strong double-sided adhesive, allowing you to mount it on your dashboard, rear window, or center console in seconds. It's not a real alarm, but as a visual deterrent, it's a smart and affordable way to protect your vehicle. Number 2, WSDCAM, wireless vibration alarm. Next up, we have the WSDCAM, wireless vibration alarm, a compact but powerful alarm suitable for cars, bikes, and even windows. Triggered by vibration, it blasts a 110 alarm to scare off thieves instantly. It includes a remote control with 4 modes: arm, disarm, panic, and doorbell, giving you complete control up to 82 feet away. You can also adjust the sensitivity across 10 levels, from a gentle touch to a hard impact. Plus, with low power consumption, it can remain on standby for over a year. Easy to install with either double-sided tape or straps, this alarm offers flexibility, power, and simplicity, all in one. Number 3, Mengshan wireless vibration alarm. At number 3, we have the Mengshan wireless vibration alarm, a feature-packed anti-theft system that offers sound and light alerts. With a 108 dB alarm, flashing red warning light, and 3D motion sensors, it detects even subtle movements while reducing false alarms. You can choose from 3 volume levels to suit your environment, perfect for quiet neighborhoods or busy parking lots. It also includes a wireless remote with a range of up to 66 feet, letting you arm or disarm the alarm or even locate your car easily. Its magnetic mount means no drilling or wiring, just attach it and go. And since it only needs 2 AAA batteries, it's portable, versatile, and easy to maintain. Whether for a car, truck, or even a home window, this all-in-one alarm provides reliable, affordable protection. Number 4, Technax car alarm, solar fake light. Our 4th pick is the Technax car alarm light, in another solar-powered deterrent designed to mimic a real alarm system. This red flashing light blinks every 5 seconds at night, creating a strong visual cue that your vehicle is protected. Its solar charging panel automatically collects energy during the day, even without direct sunlight, and turns on only when it's dark, saving power. Installation is effortless with non-trace double-sided adhesive, and it even has a micro USB port for manual charging during long rainy spells. While this unit isn't waterproof, it's perfect for indoor or windshield-mounted use. If you want to add a layer of protection and peace of mind without the complexity of wiring, this solar light alarm is a great choice. Number 5, Car Lock, car alarm system. Finally, our top full-featured system, the Car Lock car alarm system by Bonvier. This is a universal car alarm kit compatible with most DC 12V vehicles. It includes a 110 dB siren, shock and microwave sensors, and even a keyless entry remote with trunk release, car finder, and power window control. One of its standout features is engine blocking. If someone tries to start your car Without authorization, it automatically cuts power to the engine. It even has anti-hijacking functions and central locking automation, locking doors when driving and unlocking when the ignition is off. If you're looking for professional grade protection, this is the system to get. It's reliable, powerful, and feature-rich, perfect for anyone who takes vehicle security seriously. That wraps up our list of the top 5 car alarm systems you can buy right now. From simple visual deterrents like the Perfect Tech Dummy Alarm to advanced systems like the Car Lock by Bombier, there's an option here for every budget and vehicle type. All product links are in the description below, so check them out if you're interested. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.